How to log in TikTok account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your mobile device. After opening up, you'll be able to see this interface or the home page of TikTok, where you can swipe and see the various videos. So in order to log into your account, you have to first tap on profile icon in the right bottom corner, and as soon as you tap on profile, you will be able to see your account. This will appear only if you have saved the login info or your account info. You can also go for add existing account option, and you can either continue with your Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, or you can enter your phone number, email address, or username and log into your TikTok. Here I am directly continuing with my account. And after a few seconds, you can see my account has been logged in. So by following this simple step, you can log in TikTok account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.